the freaking ticket, biatch!
Print the ticket, biatch!
Kevin, what do you want to say?
Here!
It's okay.
Come on, come on, come on!
Hey guys, this is Jimbo here with my better half.
Hi!
Alright, so we are here to try out our $500 max bet again. Somebody asked me, are we gonna ever stop? I said no, we're gonna do this until the wheel fall off. Okay. So you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Put some money in there.
Hi, Amanda.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, she's got it all in. I don't know why you made the noise now, but okay. 500 in max bet. There you go. She's gonna set her bet.
Sing a song and let you some dice all day long. Who's the lucky shooter?
Ooh. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 12.
Well, you have to be working to be celebratory of that one.
All right.
All right, here's your bet.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no, she took a hit. Oh, she just lost $500, baby.
Oh no.
Oh my God. What is this? Peter Lim. Okay. No. We don't play it. We don't play at the same machine, baby.
Okay.
Okay, go to regular crap. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh. First time I knew it, that high-pitched voice was gonna get us. Okay, she's gonna pick the machine now. Ah.
No, this one.
Okay. Ah, baby, come on now. Let's go.
All right, I'm ready. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Whatever you want. Oh, man. Oh, that was a bummer. First one out, too. All right, she's got 500 in.
Place your bet. Lucky shooter, second on the card. Please place your bet.
You don't need the $2 there on the CNE right now. Why don't you save that for later? Huh?
Okay.
All right.
Come on, come on, come on.
Place your bet.
8.
All right, now you can put. Okay, nothing on the CNE, I guess. Okay. Oh, I don't want to bother you with the betting, baby. $1.
Come on, come on.
$1. Ah, yeah. Let's go. 8 point. All right. Now, since we're down a little bit, should we do 3 times or just twice?
2 times.
Huh?
2 times.
2 times?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Come on, come on.
3. You're gonna have to take the $1 off of somewhere. Yeah. All right.
Come on, come on.
6. All right, she's got heavy on 6.
Come on,
Swivel.
come on, come on.
Come on. 9. I thought you said 2 times, but okay, so you're doing
yes,
it
it's
more.
2 times.
Are you doing
Nope,
one more?
You're right. That's
Are
2
you doing
times.
one more?
Nope. 708.90.
You sure?
Yep,
Okay.
I'm sure. Cash me out, bitch.
Okay. Well, slow down. I mean, all right. All right. So let's pick another machine and see if we can do it.
Alright.
All right. Now she's picking another machine.
Alright. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. Ooh, 3rd time. Wow. Oh man, that first hit sucked, right? Only the first hit was successful. Oh. I'm not sure what this will get us, but we'll never know. Never know. All right, Golden. You made $3 on the hard way, a little bit on the day, a little bit more. All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Come on, come on.
5. All right, let's do it. You got $2 left there for some reason.
Yeah. Come on, come on.
Come on. Oh no, she got a hit again.
Oh.
All right, baby, one last time. Final machine. Oh, this is terrible.
Oh, I need to get my card.
What? She's getting nervous now. That's the same machine you just played off, Foul, baby. You do what you want to do. Pick a machine. Just pick. You don't have to play there if you don't want to, okay? Yeah, I had a feeling that the second time the crapless machine was not going to be good to us for some reason. The both of them first time out, right, Tanya?
Yes. It sucks.
So how you feel right now?
I feel terrible.
Just lost $1,000. You just lost $1,000.
I know, it's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. All right. We need some good rolls.
All right. Let's go.
R6. R6. Come on. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's
All right, last one. That's it. You gotta go. You gotta go now. Why you got money?
You have $200 left?
Oh, I gave you extra.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. 700. Okay, just put hundo. Okay. Now put 20 on a 6 and 8. 20 on a 6 and 8. How about this? Quarter inside. Like that, yeah. Alright, so now. Yeah, don't worry about that right now. Ready?
Ready. Let's do this.
700 all in. Oh, Lord. 6 again. Easy 6.
Let's do this.
Oh, no! Oh, no. Oh, no. She lost it. What's going on, baby? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Well, you gave it your whirl. We took a loss. That sucks, man. I wish this would kept on going, but just couldn't get the rolls going. So it is what it is. All right, Jimbo out. All right, guys, we're back. My wife gave me 1,000 of her money. I didn't spend it. I put 200 of my money, and look, I got 1,000 back. I got 363, and I hit the high. So we got 800 in there. So to get our money back, I just need 2 hits, just 2 hits basically, to get our money back. 2 hits, that's it. 2 hits, dude. I mean, I just need 2 hits. My wife says I should bring it down.
Bring it down.
I don't want to bring it down. I just want to get 2 hits and get my money back.
I know, I get it. Bring it down. Try to do it again with the $100. Like
No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. We're only down 200. That is true, though. I am down 200. Okay, how about this? How about this? We'll do the $500.
Go ahead.
2 hits, right?
Go ahead, do it.
Will the $500 give me 2 hits on the crappers? I don't think it does. Ah, baby, I like this right here. I like this the way it is. I mean, $500 or $700.
I said my piece.
She said her piece.
I said my piece. I'm not gonna look.
I want to go.
Okay,
Let's go. Ah, shit!
7 out 7. Line away. Warm beer. Dice.
Should have listened to my wife.
It's
But
time
you know
to
what?
push
At
your
least we're
dice.
up 1,000. So
Come out,
I can
roll.
work with that,
We're moving
right?
along, singing a
I
song,
still
and
think
let's shoot
that's
some
right.
dice all day long.
right, Jimbo.
Who's the lucky shooter?
Hey, Jimbo back, having another monster roll. Maybe I should have been kept on recording, or maybe whatever. But now time has passed, so check this out.
Look at this roll right now, man. I haven't been max pressing. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 roll right now. Initial bet was 166. I still had that $1,200 or something like that in there. So Yeah, I wish I'd Max Preston. So let's go. You see how close we are to the exchange? Alright, so let it happen, if it's gonna happen, let it happen now. Right? That's the idea. So, if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen now. Or let me keep on going. Let me keep on going. I wanna keep on going. Let's go. I didn't press the hard way enough. Who knew it was gonna be a monster world like this, right? So let's go. Let's go. You're 11 for stars. There you go. We hit it. Nice. Only $2, but still, we hit the hop tooth. Ha ha ha. Now we need a snake guy for everything. Let's go. We need a snake guy for everything. Anything else? I think we're good. Let's go. Come on. 3 for 25. Alright.
Take off.
Oh, we made our money.
Come back. Feel good. All the hard way.
We got our money back. Our 2,000. Look at that. Oh, shit. Look at that, y'all. Oh, we're up for $90.